So in this video we are going to do purchase order practically in Tally. In the previous video we have understood what are all the steps related to purchase of any item. Okay, so here I have created one company with the name ABC Purchase, you may see here. Now we are going to learn how we can process the purchase order. Now before we proceed, we need to take an example. Let's say this particular company need to purchase from a Ram Enterprise shirt of 1200 pieces. So how to go about this? Now in the previous video I have made you understand that purchase order is not an invoice. Purchased order is an intention basically, or basically it's a commercial document which indicates that I want to purchase 1200 shirt from you on this particular rate. Within this few days you need to deliver this particular item to me. So all those conditions are going to be mentioned in that purchase order. So how to go about this? So right now I am in this gateway of Tally. Now from here I need to go to voucher. Now from voucher I need to press Control F9. Control F9. Now the moment I am pressing Control F9 for purchase order voucher, nothing is happening. Again I am pressing Control F9, but you may see nothing is happening. The reason is being it is not yet activated. So the thing is it need to be activated first. After that you can make a use of it. So in order to do that, here you will see other vouchers. The shortcut is F10. However, just click over here. Now once you will click over here, you will see this option of show inactive. Means all those vouchers which are active, currently it is showing those, but I want to see those vouchers also which are inactive. So click on show inactive. Now the moment you will click on show inactive, you will be able to see purchase order which is in inactive mode. The shortcut is of course Control F9, but because it is inactive, it's not working. Now how to activate this? In order to do that, you will have to click on purchase voucher like this. Now once you will click upon this, it will ask you need to activate the purchase order voucher type. Activate now. I will say yes, and you will be able to see purchase order is coming and it is activate. Now the first thing that I need to do is to create the party account name. So I have told you the name is going to be Ram Enterprise. So I'm going to create it instantly. For that I'm going to press Alt C, and here I'm mentioning Ram Enterprise. Under it's going to be sundry creditors because we are purchasing. Maintain balances bill by will. Okay, yes. Keep it no. Address, if you want to mention you can. Generally in purchase order we do mention address. So let's say I am mentioning here sector 121 Gari, Noida. Also the pin code 201303. Okay, now here it's asking for order details. So in order details, the first thing it's looking for is mode, terms of payment, that how you are going to make a payment, whether it's going to be in the form of cash or whether it's going to be in the form of bank check. So let's say I'm mentioning cash. Other references means what are the other modes also through that you can make the payment. So I'm mentioning, let's say, bank. Terms of delivery, within how many days you are looking to get this delivery of product. So let's say within 10 days, so I'm mentioning 10. Here you need to mention the dispatch through, means how you want your product to be dispatched, whether you are going to send someone or whether it's their responsibility. if you are going to send someone, what are all the details, you can mention it over here. So however, I'm skipping this detail and go ahead and save the details. Okay, now here you will have to give the order number. So the order number is just for your purpose. Here by default it's coming 1. However, you can mention the order number. Let's say this is the order number related to RAM Enterprise, so I'm mentioning RAM RM01. Similarly, you can create your order number as per your requirement. Okay, now the next thing that we need to create is the purchase ledger. So again we will press Alt C and we will type purchase. It will go under purchase account. So I've selected purchase account. Type of ledger we will select not applicable. Go ahead and save it. Now the next thing that we need to create is name of item. The cursor is here. So I've told you already that we require, let's say, 1200 pieces of shirt. So I'm going to create an item which is shirt. So I will again press Alt C in order to create the item instantly, and I'm typing shirt under. Now it's going to be a category, and after that you can mention the group as well if you have activated that. However, we can skip that part here. Now I'm coming to units. This is need to be mentioned because it's based on quantity. If you are not mentioning the units, then it will not ask for the quantity. So again Alt C, and shirt is going to be measured in pieces. So as a symbol I'm typing pieces. Formal name I'm giving pieces. That's fine. Go ahead. Rate of duty need not to mention right now. Now it is due on. Now we are forwarding this purchase order on 1st of April only, so you can mention any other date over here. Right now I'm keeping as it is. Quantity, so here I'm mentioning quantity which is 1200. Rate, let's say for a single shirt I'm willing to pay 500. Total amount is coming, that is 6 lakh. Fine. Go ahead and save it. Accept. Yes. Okay, so we have processed the purchase order. As I've told you initially, that purchase order doesn't mean that you have received the order. It also doesn't mean that you have made the payment. So in order to confirm that, if I'm going to reports of stock summary, you will be able to see in stock we have got nothing, because till now we have not received this order. However, if I'm going for display more reports, then I'm going for statement of inventory, and then I'm going for purchase order outstanding. Then we need to go to all orders, and here you will be able to see that we have processed the purchase order of shirt of 1200 pieces. The price for a single shirt is 500 rupees, so overall cost is 6 lakh rupees. So this is how we need to process the purchase order. Now related to purchase order, there is another important aspect that I will have to make you understand, and that's a pre-close order. Now because due to some reason I want to cancel, let's say 100 pieces of shirt, I want just 1100 pieces of shirt. So how to process it over here? Now in order to do that, you will be able to see here pre-close order option is coming, which is shortcut is Alt W. So I'm pressing Alt W, and here you will be able to see pre-close quantity, how much of quantity you want to pre-close. So I'm mentioning 100. Go ahead and save the changes. Now you will be able to see the order quantity was 1200, but balance quantity is 1100, and that need to be processed. So this is how purchase order and pre-close order works. In the next video we are going to see further procedures like receipt, and if we need to reject, how to do that. This is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.